going to be recording a video about my ship and a showcase. This is the ship from the Roboshop right here, but it's to fit my standards, and now it just looks like this because I don't have all of the blocks that go right here and right here. So, and I do not have enough money to put the um, protector things underneath the wings, as right here. See them right here? Okay, let's go into battle. This is the first video that I'm gonna be doing on Robocraft, and I maybe will do more. Let's see in the comments section below. And see, I turned down the music settings and stuff, so I can talk. It has an excellent maneuverability, and it goes off of its feet very fast because it has the light cubes, and it has many guns on it. Oh, still trying to get the handling of this. Here I go. It had I did a different type of blue as what you would see in the Roboshop, and if you want to learn how to build this, I'll give you a link for his guide to make it. Of course, I followed his guide. He's an awesome YouTuber. I'd prefer to subscribe to him. Oh. Well, and like whenever you flip on your back, you can easily flip right back over. Here I go in for the kill right there. Come on. 777, really? See, I'm tier 5 and I just got to it. I've tried all I can from tier 4 to get to tier 5, so it's quite hard, as I would say. Oh no, I'm getting shot at. Oh, and I'm dead. Well, that's my showcase of that vehicle. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.